Got the expert here, Mom, creating the big pecan pie from a can.
You have to roll it under. Look, you
Roll it under. What advice would you give when you're making a pecan pie, Mom?
The best advice is you got to go all the way to Georgia.
To get these big bad boys.
These are the best pecans. This were in Vienna, Georgia. We saw them growing off the tree.
Wow, they picked them off the tree.
Yeah, we went in there. And everybody was wearing them. They're only another.
Now this is the book we're using, some old Betty Crocker
Betty
book.
Crocker book is more than 40 years old.
Fantastic. Like Grandma's old recipe. Now guys, we are preheating the oven at convection bake at 375.
You're missing the important thing.
Very important.
I'm fluting the edge.
Flute the edge. We got 3 egglets going in. Cracking those eggs. Organic, pasture raised, nothing but the best.
2/3 cup sugar. I'll do less.
Oof.
I'm doing less than what they said. Half a teaspoon salt.
This is called the good enough pecan pie.
Now let me tell you a little trick here. Cut the butter up. Because you have to, I'm going to melt it. And guess where I melt it?
Microwave.
Correct.
Absolutely terrible.
No, it's good enough.
Good enough. Remember guys, this is the good enough pecan pie. It's going to be good enough. Ooh, that is a lot of corn syrup, Mom. I don't think that is good for my health. That's going to cause cancer. Ooh.
Glad to get rid of it.
Glad to get rid of it. It's good enough.
Okay, that's good enough.
Do you want me to mix this?
No.
Oh! Sorry.
This mixer is 40 years old.
What if it breaks?
Then you get a new one.
Gotcha. Hey, fill it up. Load it up.
If it gets too heavy, it's not. It doesn't.
It might break through.
Yeah, this is enough. Now, this is what I want to say.
Okay, guys.
Pour this in near the oven. You don't put it in yet because there's one last thing you have to do. Does anybody know what that is?
Whipped cream on top.
Nope.
Put it in the freezer.
Nope. You have to foil the edge of it. So you put a little jacket around the edge.
We're just putting a little protection around the edge.
Jingle around the clock, mix and a mingle in the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
Are you going to eat that part, Mom?
No. I'm going to shove it back in.
Oh.
Don't you dare touch it. Okay.
It's good enough.
Beautiful. Are you out of your mind? Gorgeous. You gotta let it cool.
And can I eat it in about an hour?
This better not be touched. I'm going to sleep.